Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
We're gonna do some math, yay!
Do some math, yay!
Okay, so when I first started doing addition with Arian, I put a piece of paper in front of him which had all these numbers and symbols and pictures and lines and just too much going on. So he didn't understand it. So I eliminated the paper and started using counters to represent numbers. This way he can count them and then just plug in the answer. But I never went back and reversed it. So that's what we're gonna work on now. Instead of using the counters to represent the numbers, I'm gonna put an actual number here, and then he has to put the counters there himself and count them and then plug in the answer. So let's see how that works out. But first I'm gonna use the counters again just to remind him really quickly what we're doing, and then I'll go ahead and move on. So let's go. Let's start. Okay. Read the problem.
3 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. You see that? Good. That was perfect. Now we're going to change it a little bit, okay? Mommy's going to leave all the counters right here, right? And I'm going to put a number here and a number here. You have to, what number is that?
1.
So that means you have to put one counter right here. No.
Now with this
You have to grab one and put it here.
red,
Any one you want, red or yellow. Okay. Now what number is this?
2,
So that means how many counters do you need?
2 yellow.
Sure. Go ahead. Put them there. On top, so you can see the number. You need, that's one. How many more?
1, 2.
No, you need 2 counters up here because look at this number is 2. So you need 2 counters. Sit up nicely, please. Put it right next to each other.
1,
No, no. Look, you have 2 there already. See? You have 1 red. See? 1 counter, and then there's 2, so you have 2 counters.
yes.
Okay? Sit up nicely, please. Okay. You paying attention?
I'll sit back.
Okay, sit back. Look. 1 plus 2 equals.
1, 2, 3. 3. You're not going to cut this yet.
Not yet. Soon. Good. All right. Let's put these back and let's try something else. Okay. So what do we have to do?
Get 1,
Very good. Put it.
1 yellow.
Yes. So what does the problem say?
1 plus 3 equals
Okay, so now how many counters do we need up here?
3.
Good. Put them there.
3.
No. You need 3 counters on top of here.
Yes.
Nope. This one stays here because this counter is for this. See? You have 1 counter right here. Now, we need 3 up here.
Yes.
So you have to grab another one. See? 3. And how many counters are up here?
3.
Good. Now, read the problem.
1 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very nice. Good. Now let's try again.
1 time.
Let's just try it again.
1 time.
Okay.
And then we'll cut this again.
Okay. Alrighty. Read the problem.
2 plus 1 equals.
Okay. What do we have to do?
Get 2.
Yes.
letters.
Sure. Okay, now what do we have to do?
One.
Good.
One letter.
Yes. Now read the problem again.
2 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3.
See? That's how you solve it. Very good. Okay, I'll give you one break. And then we start again. And now he gets to color because that's what he chose to work for. So he'll get to color for a few minutes and then we'll keep on going. And hopefully we'll get better. Let's see what happens.